This is the nickname Master. I have a gift.
Dakota is the devil. Oh yeah, let's have that. Damn!
Ow! Hey, dog, leash too. This just made us see this one.
You did. I heard you listen.
I missed the bus today.
Word.
I really did. Just kidding.
Where did you get that from?
Upstairs.
I thought it was the thing.
So I walked down there, and Ryan's sitting there with Scruffle on his chest, and he's like, "We're never gonna die, Scruffle. I've been seeing you forever." And I see you recording.
Ashley, get that thing away from the back of my head, or I hurt you, and I will hurt you. Rah!
Hey, you know, you should tie my feet up with the leash and then drag me on the floor.
Give me the camera.
My feet up with the leash and then drag me across the floor.
I'll feel your butt cheeks. Get him off.
Ow! Stop. That's why I said stop.